Ibrahim Mahama or Yejo Mahama Niwia. Eshe that sika. Editon Krofogu social media so. Say Omon say Otumfuo na nimonyam. They did that. Yawa kwabi ano tijai money. Yesi a friend adwempa hene. Yamemfa ne kra enhye jam. Akwa no begina TV so didi nanado atema de ntia na Ibrahim Mahama emma ne cement some fancy ne dan. Apia stadium edidi nanado atem. Kevin Taylor sorry odidi nanado didi yewura Otumfuo atem. Kevin Taylor so say PS kama na mani di Otumfuo atem. Enam so me ekwohye domahene chi enne domahene abu aka ne sim because he never knew that Mahama was a reckless man. And then the Otiatium Ibrahim Mahama and Nkrofo with money, they made sure that they would denigrate the image of Otumfuo when they were in opposition to make sure that the unity among their clans and especially the Ashanti will be dissolved. Said the other people will see a kind of chieftaincy affiliation to their party called MPP. But we told the Akan men say, your friend is saying, how Joyce Bauer, he told Asante hene nana Otumfuo abapio, say, onyo hene, he's not a king, he's a chief. They said it more and more. They said more things. Abusianfo, they needed power that time. Now that they came back in, now that they're in power, they are now using the state authorities to oppress Otumfuo. Nkrofo, omunim the tactics of dividum governum. Yes, divide and rule. Imame Deborah Chebe Mwakwaba. Omunim sa tactics in the power. They are trying to make sure say the powers that Otumfuo has will not work on the people. They are trying to denigrate the image of Otumfuo. They want to reduce the tumi. Aikita Otumfuo. And they want to make Asante Akan against the other tribes. Said Yebeya, Yebetumi akese se oto abama MPP you are anase awesome Otumfuo. When they came in power, they are still doing that. To the point to say, who had Muntaka Mohammed, Sabio Ufri Northern region, unye akani, but akamfo ajiwatum ama wasase a wotisu kumase, uba uhu mrashebadwani ema Asante amansini bi. Wosano, you use your small power of 4 years to contest the actions and inactions of Otumfuo. Otumfuo, and I can't say, Mumbre na mudi no, Musa to me na bedi munsem politically no. I see a ni end castle. Just 4 years. Just say the NDC had a desire to destroy Otumfuo. And you know, I'm sure say che. Every Kwame Nkrumah no mo presu nyina. They have done everything that they can to make sure that they reduce the impact of Otumfuo on the people. But it won't work. It won't work because when you start touching the king of Akan, then you are touching the whole Akan. And Otumfuo the warning Kesiepa. Abra NDC John Mahama Presidential Minister and any regional coordinator or say Masa, pay attention because the issue of Ahensemno has nothing to do with politics. Yankwem konko tie video number. If we are na family
Speaking at an Ashanti Council meeting on Monday, April 20, the king referenced ongoing tensions in parts of the Bono region, particularly the Sampa chieftaincy dispute. He accused some government officials of disregarding court rulings and enabling an unlawful individual to parade himself as chief over Sampa. Otumfuo specifically cited the alleged involvement of the Interior Minister, Muntaka Mubarak, the Minister for Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, Ahmed Ibrahim, the Bono Regional Minister, Joseph Akwabwa, as well as security officials and other local government actors. He criticized their roles in the dispute despite a court ruling in favor of Nana Sangwa Jafla II.
Now then, Sampa who was a the court was telling me a Guanafem. Or Quani Croma, regional minister, we are security and of fine. The Onya in the Amanaquam on enough. Now the Onya in enough for Cronafa. And the Onya no for Cronafa. Oh, Minister for come.
Here, George, Ubeti man join a why. My send the link in our comment section. Menti Yoda Otumfuo. The no masem. Minister for come. Oh. Anna, Principal, you know, Regional Minister or Principal, you know, Minister for Local Government, what come home, Minister for Interior,
Minister for Local Government, Minister for Chieftaincy, Regional Minister, Principal, you know,
He further lamented what he described as a partial and discriminatory arrest during the crisis in Sampa. He expressed concern over claims that the regional minister influenced judicial processes, allegedly directing that suspects be remanded even over a weekend. Otumfuo cautioned that such actions must be approached carefully, noting that no public office holder remains in power indefinitely.
Sampa mo kwa chinipa. Oh yeah. Na mo kwa chifa. Na regional minister na Fred Judge holiday no afreze one remand wo. Yeah.
Na pasa na enimu.
Na me ka kire no wone ne nkrofo anya minister mre ye ninka so. Why? Ene mo nya tumi nti mo mfanya de mo pe.
Tumi na ba abedi munsam nti no mo pe bia mfanya.
Why? Na Sampa hene wonwu.
Yes, and the way a straight bullet from Otumfuo to the NDC and they are disrespecting a conductor or more showcase against you with Otumfuo. And then Otumfuo actually said, Dabi. More nyobia, more crano, more free in a bar, ya more ene, and then the day I'm an more say, yeah. Ye dear him for summer. Not move for baby the Muha Baba Jim. Saden, where do you people come from? Who born dog? Who Muntaka Mohammed? Who are you? Who are you to contest the decision made by Otumfuo or Hinkesie, Nyamekesie? Who are you? Huh? The kingdom of Ashanti. The kingdom of Ashanti. Papa we ene di ho ade enye na ne bag na mamu enye na assist. It have a history. It came years before as na even Rollins na dwene kura beba ne timu se amanfo bi ho tono amanfo ho tomo esen no anso ba be yeku. So how dare you small boys sabio motokura munya hu ho papa mutu me sorry cassette Otumfuo in this man. Hey, yes sir. When you want to see the real character of a man, just give him power and money, and you will see the real character of the man. Temiepa. When you want to see a real character of a man, who pursue who nipa da sanini sooner ne buying pa. True two things, and obey to media who nipa ne su and ne buy. One, other so man is sikani to me in our heno. And I say, observe how he treat other people where you think, Observe how he treat other nkrofo a wonya hwem firi omumu. Just observe. Why you first to treat vulnerable people, that will tell you the character of that person. And what these people are showcasing is nothing like arrogancy, disrespectful people, lack of knowledge, lack of management, lack of leadership quality, and lack of vision, idea, and guidelines where to go. That is what they are showing. And so to me, so the cancer full way the chile to me and the chile Otumfuo. Hey, me dear, tell me them a mobra. So Otumfuo nya me kese. Eno no ni nhihye ye ne na asem omu adi a chile dia kosi pempenso. Who regional minister ni internal minister. Mutimi kamo sisi animu se monte asema amamre ne amanie enkoso dia ene no miyen makamfo asantefo dona amode do mura Otumfuo ebuo ni nini amode nidie amode ma yewuro Otumfuo no. The NDC want to get rid of that, and they are doing it with politics, and it's very dangerous. Very, very, very dangerous. Otumfuo kro we ya mudi mo nsem fon na ono ne di animu ko solve mu problem. Otumfuo kro we ya mukode nkwasiaka ewo Nigeria ono na ye delegates eko ho eko solve ma amono ene mutwam ani di na tem. Otumfuo kro we ya 2016 won John Darega owie na time certain president ultimately lose about 1 million votes. Now unfair. Now see won sim fra konwa so. Papa we ya ne ba ye betu fu kan yansa asem kire wo. Bra ye fro se bra be ye vice president. Papa we and advise you to go and do the vice presidency role. And then when on kwasi afo bi no mutumi e kasete ya papa no. Yankopon hata soro. Onai no betua mu nyina ka se de ne nyuma ene ne brese. The poor Ghanaian, the vulnerable Ghanaian, allow themselves to be ruled by you. Amode mo munyansa ne omunim de ne omuabrabo edi agoro no. Yankopon hata so enimu ne bedi because you say onni bie Yankopon ene di ne nsem ema no. You say aboaba nkra say Yankopon ne eye dey eprapra ne homa no. Asamusimu ntie de ye kan bia. Now you want to keep on in this manner of your own, the way of doing. Say you don't respect anybody. The country's need is no more any of your thinking there. And the American say, Monto asona monkoni say, na brepamuno. You will be held accountable for any evil deal that you are doing today. And when you are being called for accountability that time, please don't and never try to defend yourself and say, we are ceremony and Dabi. Respect yourself, respect your tradition, and allow me to respect my tradition. Abuzafo Raz Media GH on YouTube, your Facebook also, Raz Media GH, na follow me. So ya TikTok. Make sure you more than subscribe to this channel. Unyan subscribe ya like video no. Na comment na mi hu enka